Can you solve this fractional equation that we have on the board? Our goal is to find the value of x in 12 divided by 111 minus 3 plus 123 divided by 1111 minus 4 equals to 1234 divided by 11,111 minus 5 plus 12,345 divided by 111,111 minus x. To solve this question, it's simple. If you want to solve this question, approach the question like this. 12 over, what is the difference between these two? That is 108 plus 123 divided by, what is the difference between these two? That is 1107, right? Equals to 1234. What is the difference between these two? That is, right, plus 12345 divided by minus x. Okay. If you take divide 12 by 108, that is 1 over 9. 1 over 9 plus 1 over 9 equals to 1 over 9 plus 12345 divided by minus x. Okay. Sum this and this together. What will this give you? 1 over 9. Because you're going to, at the end of the day, you're going to take the difference between these two and this. So this will eliminate this. You're going to be left with what? 1 over 9 at the left hand side of the equation. So this will be equals to 12345. Okay, when you get to this point, you're going to take the cross products. So we are going to have 1111, that is 6, minus x is equals to 9 multiplied by 12,345. That will give you 0.5. Okay, now to get the value of x, you're going to have negative x equals to minus, okay, negative x is equals to negative 6. X will be equals to 6, which is the final answer.